My name is Harold Fowler. I am with BBA Aviation, and our company is based out of London, but our U.S. corporate office is in Orlando, Florida. That's where I work.
BBA Aviation provides services to the aviation industry. You'll see them, for example, with the fueling trucks, filling up planes.
And then we have some aftermarket companies, H&S Aviation, Dallas Aeromotive. They do some landing gear building and overhauling on engines.
Harold is one of the system administrators on the health and safety side. So what that really means is he runs Intelex. Him and another gentleman named Perry Durkis are in charge of making sure that everything runs smoothly. BBA Aviation already had a system in place before Intelex that was tracking all of their incident reporting, audits, all of those sort of things. But
was failing in the configurable department. It was too expensive and too lengthy of a process to change things to be suited to our company. So
they were really looking to sort of get away from that and to move to something that was, they didn't want something that they could change everything in the world, but something that at least was a lot easier to configure.
Their original system was called SHIBA, and so I can't even remember what SHIBA stands for now. It was Safety, Health, Environment,
BBA. So when it came time to brand our system, the logical name for it was SHIBA 2.
And switching from the old system to the new system, of course, we've got a lot of pushback in those areas where the old SHIBA didn't look just like this, or the one we used before, we did it this way, we did it that way, and the different changes. But because Intelex is so configurable and the ability to make custom inventories and move fields around, we've had the ability to let those users who have those issues really change up their views to suit however it is, whatever makes them comfortable, whatever they need to have.
I did show Intelex Exchange to them in the beginning, but I didn't know that they would become as active in it. In the beginning, they definitely leveraged it for training.
I've gone in, I've put questions in and gotten answers back. And I mean, sometimes I've been hesitant about putting a question in. Don't want to seem like I don't know anything, but you'll put the question in, you'll get 4 or 5 people say, you know what, we had the same problem.
They're a perfect example when you look at Intelex Exchange and how they progressed there in terms of being able to take in the information that they wanted, the learning, understanding, asking questions of other people, to the point now where they're actually responding, assisting, and helping out others.
They're extremely happy with the final version. We've made very few changes, to the core of what we built, since we went live with the project, and it's been an amazing success.
All things considered, my experience with Intelex is definitely 9 out of 10. And I only say 9 out of 10 because I see what else is coming up now after the user conference. So I'm sure 2-3 months from now it'll be 10 out of 10.